Hey there, Ben Engelman here again with Friedrich Iowa Realty. And this is going to be step one. If it comes across your radar of why build, um, these are some things that you want to ask yourself and why other people may actually come to this conclusion of they want to build. Number one, they've looked at all the resale homes in the area. They can't find anything that they like. And they start to think, okay, well, if we can't find anything that we like and what we're looking at is outdated and we're still paying a lot of money for it and we're still doing, there's multiple offers, bidding scenarios. Well, those folks just come in, they say, hey, let's just look at the build process. What's it going to cost us? What are the advantages and disadvantages? So that's number one. That's the first group of people. The second group of people are the folks that say, I like new things. They're the ones that go out, buy a brand new car every year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. It's going to be brand new. They're going to get all the warranties with it. They're going to get all the things that come with it. They're going to be able to order the options that they want because they like specific things. So there's those folks out there as well. And there's a third group that says, oh, hey, I want to be in this specific area, school district, around this group of friends, close to this church, things like that. So there's those folks out there that really look at it and say, location is a big piece for me, and this is a new and upcoming area. So let's go ahead and build versus buying something resale. When you go back to that first group and they say, hey, I've already looked at all the resale homes. Once you start pricing out what it's going to take to remodel a kitchen, a bathroom, maybe 2, 3 bathrooms, side a house, do new landscaping, things like that, maybe a driveway or the garage isn't big enough. When you start looking at those things, the costs start to just pile up really fast. So when you're looking at, say, a 1,500 square foot ranch, and then you're looking at a brand new 1,500 square foot ranch, sometimes your prices are only going to be, $100,000 difference. Well, you can go through $100,000 so fast. So that's a big thing that we talked to a lot of folks about of, okay, where are you at with your finances? What can you afford? And then, okay, this may be the better option for you. So just look at your situation, and then you can say, okay, this is the group that I fit into. If you have any other questions about that or walking and talking through that process, I'd love to answer those for you. And thanks for watching.